Well, we are starting the vlog totally different because we are picking up the new bumper. It's not the bumper, it's the front grille and other parts from the shop. And if you guys don't know who is doing that for me, it's Ray. So you guys know I take my car here and now my truck is getting done here. So you can do whatever you want here. You are, welcome to take your vehicle here if you want to. So we just got here. Dude, I'm super excited for this. What's up guys, welcome to the vlog again. Matty here, you know the drill. We are here to pick up the new bumper for the truck. I'm coming in. What's up, buddy?
What's up, my friend?
Ray doing his thing. How is going the vet?
Getting there, getting there.
This Corvette's getting full wrap and he's doing some body work. Yeah, after fixing the horrible paint, he's gonna get a full wrap.
No, this hasn't been touched yet.
Gotcha.
It's all just chipped and scraped.
So that's the kind of thing Ray does. He's gonna do the body work and his son's gonna wrap it, right? Oh, the lift looks great there.
Yep.
Love it.
We got the other one.
Oh, see? It's getting bigger. How was the paint?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Look at that.
It's funny, I just had a client here with a 2000 Ram, 3500, beautiful truck, blue, and the whole front is chrome. And oh, he freaking hates it. He saw this, he's freaking out.
Dude, I love it. Wow, what a great job, man.
Came out freaking killer, it did. It did.
Does you like it?
Oh God, I love it. I love it. Here, stay there.
And that's the final touch. Look at that. I don't know why I had that idea. I was like, you know what? Worst case scenario, just buy a new one.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, I don't know if you can buy them white.
No, I was like, like a new one.
Yeah. No, well, if you ever get a new one, we can paint it white.
I love it. Look at that.
It's a lot of paint because of the fins.
Gotcha.
Like I said, I had to go get one more can.
Dude, I love it. I love it. Dude, thank you so much. That's exactly what I visualized.
And it's close. I mean, you shine a bright light on it in certain angles, but one is 4 years old.
Oh yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah.
Yellow. And I call it yellow. This is a tad yellower.
Yeah.
It's more noticeable here than here, but if you look at here to here with the shadow, you don't notice it.
You cannot tell. And I expect it because this one has been exposed for how many years?
Killer.
Yeah, this one. That's what I wanted, killer, dude. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.
Junior said the same thing. He said, "Mint." Yo.
Dude, that's always what I want.
Yeah.
I was like, and I think it was a good choice to limit those black.
Yes.
Right?
Would have been too much white.
Too much white.
It would have been too much white. The black picks up, you got your stripe, and the truck's got other black accents. Not killer.
It's so hard when you have something in mind and to like share what you want, and you were like, that's what you needed.
Perfect.
Right?
Yeah.
See, people say bad things about Nissan Murano. You can fit the freaking bumper.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Dude, thank you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
No problem.
You guys know if you guys need anything, everything on the link in the description below. Small stuff like that or anything, just reach out.
You either got to send me a picture of it on the truck or you bring the truck here and show me.
There we go. See?
All right, because I want to add a picture to mine.
There you go. We are back from Ray. Actually, this is totally different days. I had to do a lot of stuff. That was a kind of work day for me. I was working a lot. But anyway, we are ready to put the bumper back on. And what do you guys think? I'm very excited to put this on. I have another thing that I want to show you guys. But right now we have some work to do. The truck's already here. If you didn't see the seat belts installed, make sure to check it out. I'll leave the link for that video below. We got brand new blue seat belts for the truck. Boys, man, this thing looks so nice. Look at that. Look at that. Look how good this thing looks. Man, I'm super excited to have a little upgrade and now matches with my badge. But anyway, we need to open the hood because before we install the grill back on, and I can't wait to put it back on, I want to move, those are the pods from the rock lights, you see? I just don't like the way that they are sitting right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move them to back here. So it's coming from the bottom up, and that's what I want to do. But first of all, I want to clean this area since it's open. A towel, and there's waterless cleaning. Boom, just like that. I moved the pots and I put it here. Dude, I'm smiling because I think it looks cool. What can I do? So I smile every time I do something. I think it's cool. You know what I'm saying? They are blue, but I don't know why here it shows pink. But hey, it's the camera. You gotta see the truck in person. So I think this is gonna be better overall for the grill. We'll see how that goes. Before I was here, I just had to make some holes there, as you can tell. But I think here it's cleaner. And now let's bring the bumper in. You guys ready? Dude, I don't know if the camera is showing, but of course, so much better the pods. Alright, so I think we can put this bad boy in. I'm not gonna make you guys wait, so I will stall and show you guys the final result. Whew, it is ready. So sometimes in life you need to take a risk, and I'll not say that I wasn't afraid, but look at this thing now. Damn it, why I didn't do this before? Of course, because of money, but you know. Well, without further ado, I put this outside because we need to look at the sun. All right, and then, oh man, I'll tell you what, some of you guys gonna hate it, and that's okay. I love you too, but I love it. So the new truck. I love it. I love it. I love every single detail. Look at this angle here though. Look at this. Look at this. Man, that fog light bezel came out so good. Dude, and then blend between the headlights and the grill. And also the light bar, now it's white. So let me turn everything off. So now even the light bar is white. Yeah, I took a risk on doing the light bar white because my light bar was gone. Kind of gone because it was a lot of rust. I was like, you know what? Let's try something different. Let's do a white light bar. I bet nobody has it. If somebody has it, I'm the second. But if they don't, I'm the first. So, and the blend between the headlights and the grill, and oh my gosh. And I was debating about if I should remove the stripes, but I think I'll keep it though. Would be cool, super cool, all the white stuff. Of course, it's a snowing day, so the truck is dirty, but I will give this bad girl a bath. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. I cannot stop smiling. Look at this. Oh, looks so much sick. Man, I think, I might be wrong, but I think I just built a nice truck. You guys let me know. Just so we need to run down what we did. We paint this part of the grill. Remember, this is not the grill, the stock grill. This is the Bison grill that I upgrade. And everyone wants me to paint the letters behind this, so I did the backwards. So, and I think now the Chevrolet, it's like popped, it's there, you know what I'm saying? Like now you can really see it. Of course, we did the the fog lights bezel. The before they were black, but I wrapped it in carbon fiber, and we did this part of the bumper. Here, unfortunately, in New Jersey, we need to run the front license plate, so I paint also the license plate frame. Because if we remove it, we would have holes there. So I was like, you know what, screw it, let's keep it, just paint it. And of course, the light bar is the same rough country light bar, but I just painted. I just asked Ray to paint it. Again, a huge thank you to Limitless Auto Lab, Ray and Junior. They do a great job. If you guys need anything from that, I'll leave their Instagram and their website below, so you guys can call if you are in New Jersey, or even if you are willing to ship the parts. I'm quite sure they would get done for you guys. Oh man, we just moving up on this build. Look at this. I'm looking at the camera though. Look, you gotta tell me that this thing looks good though. I know a lot of you guys hate color matching, but I'll tell you what, I understand, I completely understand it, but I always want a color matching truck. I'm not sure about the wheels yet. I'm working to change the wheels, but you guys know the drill. Wheels are very expensive, but dude, this is all, you know, I always vision something like this, and I'm gonna do something similar to the back, but I just need to wait for more funds. So if you keep watching, I'll keep doing mods. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. As always, if you're here for the first time, subscribe, and for sure let me know in the comments below. Just say truck if you agree that we are moving the right direction. I hope to see you guys next upload. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.